Hi, I'm going to quickly talk about diplopia. It's basically double vision because when light enters the eye, the retina must be stimulated in the exact same spot in both eyes for the brain to only perceive one image. So it's basically ocular muscle imbalance. So we're going to need to assess this as a pencil, and you're going to have a patient stand in front of a blank wall. And in front of them, 18 inches in front of them, you're going to hold a pencil in their superior quadrant of their vision, their inferior quadrant, their right quadrant, and their left quadrant. And you're gonna switch the position of the pencil in each quadrant. You're gonna do it vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. And after each position, you're gonna ask the patient, do you see one or two pencils? And you're gonna test each eye at a time, closing the other. For example, let's say I'm doing my right eye. I'm gonna do the superior quadrant, and I'm gonna say, do you see one or two pencils? Do you see one or two pencils? Do you see one or two pencils? And you're going to repeat that in each quadrant for both eyes. Now we're going to talk about macular degeneration, which causes a loss in the center of the field of vision. And the way that you can test this is with the Macular grid. And this is what it looks like. The Macular grid. So you're going to want to have this printed out. I don't have a printer, but 18 inches in front of them. And you're going to cover one of their eye while testing the other eye and have them focus on the dot in the center of the grid and answer questions like, do any of these lines in the grid appear wavy, blurred, or distorted? Or do all the boxes in the grid look square and the same size? Are there any holes or missing areas or darkness in the grid? And can you see all the corners and sides of the grid while keeping your eyes in the central spot? So you would just have them cover like this and answer the questions. You would test for diplopia if you see that your patient, when you're asking them to do things, are overshooting or undershooting or missing a little bit, things like that. And you would test for macular degeneration if you see that they're having trouble also, yeah, like missing or not seeing something, saying like where, or like squinting, things like that.